Hello everyone, welcome to the KCS channel. How are you all doing today? Today we will be starting with the chapter money. We have already covered national income and all the three methods of calculation of national income. Today we move ahead with the chapter on money. Now it is said that money is what money does. So what this means actually is that there are various functions of money. Money is used as a common medium of exchange, right? Now whenever you go to a shop, you need to buy anything, simply you have the money, you give the money to the shopkeeper in exchange for the goods that you want to purchase or the services that you intend to buy or use, right? As well as money has other features as well, where it can also, you can also save for the future as well. You can open up a savings account or a fixed deposit, so you are saving as well because of money. So it's a store of value. If we need to measure the value of some commodity, right? Like for example, somebody asks you, how much is your television worth, or how much did you purchase your new bike for, or what is the value of your bike? You might say that, okay, so it is 1.25 lakhs or so on, depends on the model. So it can also be used as a measure of value, and also it can be used as a standard for deferred payment, that is where you can make the payments in future, or where you can sign a contract where you need to pay in future, for example for goods purchase on credit or EMI. Okay, so that's the reason why it is said that money is what money does. So we can define money as a financial instrument that serves mainly as a common medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, and standard for deferred or future payments. Now moving ahead, so we can sum up that the fundamental functions or the basic functions of money thus are: it's a common medium of exchange. Yes, in fact, because of money, the function of buying and selling are used separately now. Earlier, the buying and selling in the barter system had to take place simultaneously. Meaning, for example, if a person has, has a stable, has horses, and wants to purchase cloth, so he would need to find a person who needs a horse as well as he has surplus of clothes, so that he can exchange his horse for the clothes that he wants, right? So that is double coincidence of wants. So in that, the buying and the selling has to take place simultaneously, but because of the introduction of money, these two functions can be done separately. You might go to a store and purchase goods, so you're just engaging in the act of purchasing the goods or service. Or if you need to sell something, maybe a second-hand good or a commodity, so you just go to a second-hand shop and sell it. So there you're only engaging in the function of selling. You might sell your old TV or your laptop, right, and purchase a new one. So you might sell it at one shop, and you can go ahead and purchase it at a different shop, a new one. Alright, so it's a common medium of exchange. Second, again, it's used as a store of value, meaning savings is possible in terms of money. We have already discussed this. It is used as a measure of value. So earlier on, if you needed to measure something, in the barter system, it becomes very difficult. How do you measure? Let's take the example of your bike. How do you measure? You wouldn't say that for that I need such and such meter of cloth, or my bike is worth four or five sheep or one cow, and so on. That would be rather vague, right? But with money, the exact valuation is possible. So that's the reason why It is used as a measure of value as well and makes life easier for all of us. Then it is also used as a standard of deferred payments, which we discussed again. Because of this, future obligations as far as payments are concerned can be honored. Payments can be made in future as well, right? Whether goods purchased on credit or, for that matter, for taking loans or making the payments via equated monthly installments or EMI. So thus, for today's discussion, we would end the discussion on these functions of money. And in the next class, I would be discussing about the various forms of money. We'll discuss them one by one with examples. Thank you for watching and have a good day. If you liked the video, please do subscribe, like and share with your friends and stay updated to the channel. I would be uploading more videos which would be beneficial for you. Thank you.